In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate repeating patterns in Midjourney. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get great results fast. First, open your browser and go to midjourney.com. You'll see a prompt field at the top of the page. That's where you'll type what you want the AI to create. Think of it as a short, vivid description of the pattern you're imagining, your colors, motif, style, and overall vibe. For example, you might describe botanical line art, minimal, soft beige and forest green, high contrast, clean outlines. The more specific you are, the easier it is for Midjourney to understand your vision. Now, for the most important part of making a pattern that repeats seamlessly, after you finish your descriptive prompt, add 2 hyphens and the word tile, written exactly like this. Tile. This tells Midjourney to generate edges that align perfectly with each other so the image can repeat without visible seams. Without this parameter, you may get a beautiful image, but it won't necessarily connect cleanly when tiled. Next, still in the same prompt, add another parameter to control the shape of your tile. Type 2 hyphens followed by R for aspect ratio, then a width to height ratio. For a square tile, use plot RR 2000-2000. That's simply a 1-1 shape, which is a safe and versatile choice for most patterns. Square tiles tend to repeat predictably across both directions, making them great for wallpapers, fabrics, and digital backgrounds. If you want a taller or wider tile later, you can change the ratio, but square is an excellent starting point while you dial in your design. Before you press enter, review your prompt, make sure your subject is clear, your style cues are concise, and you've included hot tile and your aspect ratio. You can also nudge the AI toward crisp, repeat-friendly results by mentioning clean outlines, simple shapes, or limited color palettes. These hints can help avoid cluttered edges or muddy textures that are harder to tile. When you're ready, hit enter to generate. Midjourney will process the prompt and produce pattern options that naturally repeat. If an edge looks busy or distracting, tweak your description for simpler forms or more negative space, and try again with the same tile and aspect ratio. A little iteration goes a long way. That's it. Go to midjourney.com, craft a clear prompt, add hot tile, set your aspect ratio like E or 2000-2000, and generate. With those few details, you'll be making seamless professional patterns in no time.